Hey, visit the link in the description for a special surprise just for you.
Now, if we head over to the menu right here, under the main dashboard, you're going to see your affiliate dashboard. So let's click here. But before we go through each section of the affiliate dashboard, you need to know that System.io has an affiliate program. This means that affiliates can actually promote System.io's offers and they can earn a commission if their clients buy an offer from System.io. So let's say an annual plan or a monthly plan or a course or really any page that you decide to promote as an affiliate. This is an amazing program, and if you're a user, then you know how powerful System.io is, so recommending it to others once you're already familiar with the platform is amazing and you can earn a commission on it, so that's even better. But adding into this, System.io users can have their own affiliate programs within the platform, so people can actually promote offers that other System.io users create. So let's say they create courses or digital products or physical products. If you find something within the System.io marketplace that you like and that you feel you're able to promote and recommend and sell to other people, then you can have your own affiliate program within the platform. So as an affiliate, you're going to want to use your dashboard just to keep an eye on your statistics, to see how much you've earned, to manage your affiliate links, and just to keep an eye on your activity. So the first thing that you're going to find right here is your affiliate ID, which is the most important information that you'll find right here in the top. You're going to use your affiliate ID every time you want to promote an offer. So let's say I want to promote System.io and I want to promote it through their homepage. So I would just go to the page and copy the link. And then this is just an example, but you could do this with any page that you'd like to promote. So then after I have my link right here, I would go to my affiliate dashboard and I would copy my ID just like so. So then you go back to the link you want to promote or the page that you'd like to promote. And then you add a question mark, SA equal, and you go ahead and you paste your ID, your affiliate ID. And so this is the link that you would share to your audience, your customers, if you'd like to promote System.io through the homepage. So let's say you have a link in bio and you'd like to have a special link for promoting System.io, you would use this link right here. So now all you would need to do is just share the link with other people, and if they subscribe or buy any offers from System.io, then you will get the commission because you're the one who would bring this new clients, these new users to System.io. Now let's go ahead and see what's really inside the affiliate dashboard. So the first thing that you'll see is that you can actually see your data, your statistics by vendor. So let's say I choose System.io. You will be able to see the total leads sent, which means the number of new leads or new contacts I sent to System.io with my affiliate links. You would also be able to see your lifetime earnings. That means the commissions that you earn by referring people to System.io. You will be able to see it day by day or the past week or the past 30 days. And also, very conveniently, right here at the bottom, you're going to find the link that I just showed you. So the one that promotes System.io's homepage. That way it's just easier. You don't have to copy and paste anything. It's just right here whenever you want to share it with someone else.
Leave a comment below if you have any questions, and don't forget to subscribe.